Good day, everyone. My name is Manuel, and I am here to discuss about Writ of Habeas Corpus. But before I start, I present a simple video presentation for you. So let's watch.
Alam mo ba na isa sa mga karapatan ng isang tao ang makahingi ng tinatawag na kasunod ng utos ng hukuman o kinauukulan bilang kanang galang laban sa illegal o hindi makatarungan pagkakakulong sa bilangguan. Ito ay ang Writ of Habeas Corpus. Pero ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin nito? Ang habeas corpus ay mula sa Latin na nangangahulugang na mapa sa iyo ang katawan. Ito ay isang salitang nangangahulugang atas o utos ng hukuman sa kinauukulan na dalhin sa korte ang isang taon. Sa salitang Ingles, ang habeas ay nangangahulugang umuhag at ang corpus naman ay body. Kaya, sa larangan ng batas, isang kasulatan ang habeas corpus na nag-uutos sa isang opisyal upang maipakita ang dahilan kung bakit ipinili ang isang tao. Pag naglabas ng Writ of Habeas Corpus ang Korte Suprema na siyang may jurisdiction sa mga petisyon ng writ na ito. Inuutosan nito ang isang individual o opisyal ng gobyerno na may kustodya sa isang tao na dalhin ito sa korte upang mapagpasyahan kung legal o hindi ang pagkakadetain nito. Illegal ang pagkakadetain rito, kailangang papawalan agad ang ikinulong at hindi maaaring i-detain ang tao ng higit sa 3 araw kung hindi pa ito nasa sampahan ng kaso. Protektahan ng Writ of Habeas Corpus ang bawat mamamayan mula sa mga illegal na detention at mga pagkaka-aresto ng walang ipinakikitang warrant of the arrest. Kailan nga ba pwede suspendihin ang Writ of Habeas Corpus? Ayon sa Bill of Rights 1987 Constitution, Article 3, Section 15, hindi dapat suspendin ang pribilehiyo ng Writ of Habeas Corpus. Maliban kung may pananalaki o paghihimagsik kapag kinakailangan ng kaligtasan pambagan. Dagdag pa rito, maaari ng suspending ng Pangulo ang Writ of Habeas Corpus sa loob ng 6 araw kung may paglusob o rebellion kung kinakailangan sa kaligtasan ng publiko. At para mapalawig ang suspensyon, kailangang makakuha ang presidente ng karamihan sa mga boto ng mga kongresista. Ang mga mambabatas ang magsasabi kung gaano katagal mananatili ang suspensyon kapag magpatuloy ang paglusob o rebellion. At alam mo rin ba na sa kasaysayan, sina dating Pangulong L.P. Quirino, Ferdinand Marcos at Gloria Macapagal Arroyo ang presidenteng nakapagsuspende ng Writ of Habeas Corpus.
So this is my short video presentation. So let's proceed. I have 2 sample pictures of Writ of Habeas Corpus. This one and this one. So let's proceed. Learn where Habeas Corpus came from. Habeas Corpus literally means in Latin, you shall have the body or person in court. Writ is a formal order under seal issued in the name of sovereign, government, court, or other competent authority. The Writ of Habeas Corpus is originated in medieval English common law. It was most famously codified in 1215 Magna Carta, which granted all free men protection against illegal imprisonment. The Writ of Habeas Corpus was also suspended in some instances in World War II, notably by the governor of Hawaii after the attack on Pearl Harbor. The Writ of Habeas Corpus is one of what are the old extraordinary common law or prerogative writs, which were historically issued by the English court. In the name of the monarch to control interior court and public authorities within kingdom. So, in first we need to know where habeas corpus came from. It came from the body. It came from the word body or person inside the court. It derives from the English common law, where the first recorded usage was on 1305. In the reign of King Edward on England, the first codified by habeas corpus was what do you call that? Habeas Corpus Act 1679. Following judicial rulings which had restricted and effectiveness of writ. Next. Discover how habeas corpus works. To determine whether the detainee is guilty of the crime of which he or she is accused. It's a call for an examination of the legality of his or her imprisonment. Habeas corpus can be used as a last-ditch strategic tool in a criminal case, but only after the appeals process has been exhausted. Habeas corpus ensures that the right due process is supported by action. It's the quintessential example of hoping for the best while planning for the worst. There must be proof or evidence supporting these claims to warrant further investigation. It's quintessential example of hoping for the best while planning for the worst. The fundamental instrument for safeguarding individual freedom against arbitrary and lawless state. In this statement, it is used to bring a prisoner or detainee before the court determine if the person imprisoned or detention is lawful. Next. What is writ of habeas corpus? Writ of habeas corpus, which literally means to produce the body, is an order issued by a court of law to a prison warden or law enforcement agency of holding an individual in custody. The writ of habeas corpus must list evidence showing that the court that ordered the prisoner detention or imprisonment had made a legal or factual error in doing so. It requires that they deliver the prisoner to the court so a judge can decide whether the prisoner had been lawful imprisoned and, if not, whether they should be released from custody. It is the evidence presented to a court showing that they have been wrongly or illegally imprisoned. It is usually only filed after a direct appeal or of conviction has failed. A writ requiring a person under arrest to be brought before a judge or into court, especially to secure the person released unless lawful grounds are shown for their detention. A writ of habeas corpus is a writ or action that requires a person who has been arrested or imprisoned to be brought to a judge or into court. So, let me give you one example of writ of habeas corpus. If you file a petition with the court because you want to be brought before a judge where reason for your arrest and detention must be shown. Next, questions to be answered. Make an essay with each question with at least 5 sentences about. Number 1, how habeas corpus work? And number 2, what is writ of habeas corpus?